Hi everyone, it's me Zoe. I've just been playing some Roblox, and yeah, I finished a round, and I just got 30 wins. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. You know, like I've never had 30 wins before. You go up, not down. Why are people going in there? This one's on information. People. Alright. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the little bell so you never miss one of my videos, cause like, who wants to miss them? Subscribe, turn the bell, so if you're bored, watch my videos. So yeah, we are going down for real. Okay, I'm gonna stop making little puns. If you guys can keep track of how many times I die or fall, comment down below how many times I have in this video. If you lose count, don't worry, I will be counting. And whoever gets the exact, gets the closest or the exact amount of times I have fallen, they will get a shout out in my next video. Sounds pretty cool if you ask me. Hey, you know what oh my gosh, I just thought of 30 subscribers, 30 wins. Oh my gosh. I have 30 subscribers, 30 wins. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe so you can get 31. And if I win this, I'll have 31 subscribers. I mean, 31 wins. Yes. I want to try and hit, let's see, either 35 or 40 by the end of, let's see, I'm going to give you guys pretty long. So if you guys can subscribe to this channel right now, that would mean everything to me, because if we are 35 subscribers or 40 by the end of July, right now it's currently July 2nd for me. If you hit it at the end of July, I will be giving I'll be giving shout outs. So if you want a shout out, wait, what? I will not be giving a shout out, sorry. If we hit 35 or 40 subscribers by the end of July, I don't know what I should do. Think about it. Yeah. So I haven't died yet. Still keeping count. So remember, if you get the exact or closest to how many times I have died, you guys will get a shout out. So first of all, comment down below how many times I died at the end of the video, or skip ahead and count. I fell and there's water in here. Oh no. Oh shoot. Oh no. This ladder is one of those trick ladders. The ladders that make everyone fall to their doom. I fell to my doom. Quick, I need to get up. I bet like everybody's up there just watching me and like laughing at me up there. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going and hoping for the best. That one was not the best choice. Well, I go back down. I'm trapped. Why? Why? or not. I suck at this. Let me keep reminding you guys. So, count how many times I have died. I'm coming in. Sorry guys if you heard my assistant weird. She was just asking me where I wanted to go for dinner. And yeah. Comment down below how many times I've died. And I will be picking comments. So I will be picking some comments. And maybe you'll be like one of those lucky people who get shouted out. You either get the exact, if you can either get the exact amount or close. You can guess, count, anything. At first I said you could skip ahead, but no, let's not. I want you guys to watch the whole video. Because that would be easier. I want to taunt. Can I taunt? I'm taunting. Yay. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, okay. I don't think I'm taunting anymore. There should be a taunt that's like this. Taunt, 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 taunt. I've said that a lot. Really difficult. By saying it free now, try saying taunt 5 times fast. Ready? You guys do it? Well, if you did, comment down below. Comment down below, hashtag JSquad, not JAY, the letter J, and I will be liking some of your comments. Usually people don't like comments. Like, they're just like, yeah, blah, 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 blah. I have Musical.ly, so all my social medias will be down below. So you guys can find me on Musical.ly, Snapchat. I'm not giving up on Snapchat though. Because I don't think I'm allowed. Yeah. I'll give out my Musical.ly and my Roblox. We can probably already tell because, it's up there. So, yeah. I'm on a roller coaster, only goes up my friends. And I am in love with Musical.ly. It's like my idol. Yeah. Whoa, 7 people have actually survived. I think we're on our 3rd one. Yeah, so the next one is our 3rd room that we have to escape. Next one will be Code Cracker, which is the very last one. Usually I just let them do the work for me. Okay, I press that button. Great. Okay, I got that one. Alright, oh no, I don't need to go up here. Go up. Okay, guys, I almost felt that would have bad. She's all the way down there. I should not have said that. Oh, what the heck? I fell. That was a bad decision. I'm on a roller coaster now because of my friends. And I've also filmed another video today, which is I lost RGP, which stands for Roblox God Count. You guys should go watch this video at the very end, and it'll also be on the end screen thing. Yeah. Ready? Quick, people, get in. Up. Us. Oh, I love getting dropped. Okay, so work on this on my own, or not. She's helping. Oh, we did it! We did it! We did it! Oh, we did it! 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 Okay, well, I think well, I've had a wonderful time playing today. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn the little bell so you always get notified when I upload a video. And yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Bye!